Sayyidina Jabir radiallahu anhu narrates that Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, إِذَا سُمْتُمْ Ramadan, when you fast Ramadan, فَاجْتَهِدُوا فِي أَرْبَعِينَ, then you should exert yourself with regards to 4 things. 2 things are such that you will attain the pleasure of Allah, and 2 things you need for your own salvation. As for the 2 things which will attain the pleasure of Allah, the first is the kalima la ilaha illallah. That when you are fasting during the month of Ramadan, one should recite the kalima abundantly. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Jaddidu imanakum, renew and refresh your iman. And when the Sahaba asked, how do we do that, O Nabi of Allah? Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, by reciting la ilaha illallah abundantly. So that is the first thing that we should engage abundantly in this month of Ramadan, by reciting la ilaha illallah at least 100 times in the morning and 100 times in the evening, and we should increase on that day on as we progress in the month of Ramadan. The second thing that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you do in this month that will please Allah is the recitation of istighfar, by saying astaghfirullah alladhi la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum wa atubu ilayh, or just saying astaghfirullah, nastaghfirullah. That when you hold fast onto istighfar, Allah will make your matters easy. Everything. Man lazim al istighfar, ja'al Allahu min kulli makhraj dhiqin makharaja. From every difficulty, from every hardship, from everything that brings discomfort, Allah will bring ease by reciting istighfar. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam would recite istighfar up to 70 times in one gathering. So those are the 2 things that one needs to engage in to attain the pleasure of Allah. Then there are 2 things that we need for our own salvation. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the first thing is ask Allah for protection from the fire of Jahannam. And it comes in a hadith that if a person says Allahumma ajirni minan nar after Fajr Salah 7 times and after Maghrib Salah 7 times, then the fire of Jahannam will make dua and say, oh Allah, protect this person from me. So that is what we should do every day. Recite Allahumma ajirni minan nar. And the 4th thing is to make dua for Jannah. And Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make dua by saying, Allahumma inna nas'aluka al-Jannah. Oh Allah, I ask you for Jannah. Wa ma qarraba ilayha min qawlin aw amal. And all those actions or statements that will take me close to Jannah, oh Allah, enable me to do that. And if a person makes this dua 3-4 times every day, Jannah itself will make dua and say, oh Allah, enter this person into Jannah. And when we ask for Jannah, we should ask for Jannatul Firdaus, because a Muslim is such that we are never happy with mediocrity. We should always strive for the best. So we ask Allah to grant us the highest level of Jannah. So my dear brothers, let us recite the kalima la ilaha illallah, engage in istighfar, seek protection from Jahannam, and ask Allah for Jannah. May Allah give us the ability to engage in these actions abundantly in this month of Ramadan.